In this video, we will show you how you can transfer files from your PC to phone or vice versa using a very interesting tool called Landrop. Hi friends, this is Ratul from Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Let's get started today's episode. For that, you need three things. Number 1, the Landrop tool for Windows. Number 2, the Landrop APK file. Number 3, the Landrop NVDA Addon. All these tools and files can be found on our official Telegram channel. Join our official Telegram channel to download all these tools. Make sure the devices are connected in the same Wi-Fi, otherwise the transfers will not work. After downloading the file from our Telegram channel, unzip it. You will find NVDA Addon, APK and another zip file. Install the APK to your phone, install NVDA Addon to your system and unzip the zip file which is found in the folder. After unarchiving the folder named Landrop Latest, you will find this option.
D3 Landrop libgsv2.df.
Find landrop.exe.
Sodium landrop.x8 of 18.
Press enter on it. Fine. Now press Windows plus B.
Show hidden icons button.
Click Show hidden icons.
Landrop button 1 of 8.
Press application here when you see the Landrop icon.
Landrop window.
Press down arrow until you hear the send option.
Port 50 send files. Landrop.
Just click on send files.
Select file S to be sent dialog. You can drag files to this window. Add button enter.
So now here this is the add button. When you click on add button, a standard weapon dialog box will appear.
Select file S to be sent.
Choose your desired file.
Item bearer not selected.
I'm choosing a file. Let me choose.
Items view list. Items images. Items view logo AC 2023. Logo accessible computing 2023.
I'm pressing tab
Name
until
file,
I hear
files open button alt plus
open
O.
button.
Select file S to be sent. Add button focused enter.
Your focus will come back to the add button. So if you want to add any other file from any other folder, you can add. Or if your files in the same folder, then you can choose multiple files at a time by pressing by going to add option. If I press shift tab once,
list logo accessible computing 20.
Here you can check the files list which you have prepared for send.
Add remove button and send button enter.
Just click on send button. Once you clicked on send button, NVDA will say like choose the device. So I'm pressing enter here.
Send a dialog. Edit address blank. Edit address blank.
Edit
send
address.
a
So I'm
dialog.
pressing tab.
Edit port blank.
Edit port.
C4 myLeota BD186.bj. C4 myLeota BD186.bj. Address 192.168.0.4. Port 42027.
Yes, this is my mobile device. So make sure your mobile device screen should be turned on while you are transferring the files. When you press tab again,
send button enter.
Click on send button, then the file will be sent. And you need to receive the file from your phone, which we will show you right now. So I'm pressing enter, then jump into our phone to check whether the file will send or not.
Transferring dialog handshaking code 232,403. Please accept this transfer on C4 myLeota.
So it says please accept this transfer on XXX. Now let's see, will it work or not? Here I am swiping from left to right.
Access, sending,
See?
access, devices,
Devices.
accessible computing,
This is my computer's name.
sending, receiving,
Sending. So I'm just click on sending.
receiving, accessible computing,
Accessible computing.
button,
See,
receiving,
under receiving accessible computing.
code, button.
These are two buttons. First button is accept button and second is reject button. So I'm click on
Button.
accept.
Selected. Transfer. Tab 1 of 3.
So hopefully the file is
Accessible
going to be
computing.
downloaded.
Selected. Transfer. Tab. Select. Files.
So I'm going to click on files. Let's
Tab.
see.
Logo Accessible Computing 2023 JPG.
See, now the file is downloaded.
15.5 Show menu button.
If you click on show menu button,
Pop-up menu.
See.
Share.
share
Delete.
and delete.
Button.
Now let me tell you where you can
Home.
find this
System launcher.
in your
GPay.
directory.
Vocalizer.
So I'm just going
Vocalizer
to Solid
Spotify.
Explorer.
Solid Explorer. Jewelry image JP. Files. One
See,
item.
in Android Auto or in Android,
App.
you need to go to Android. See,
Media. 4
I'll just
items.
add.
Data.
Then
6.
data,
Com Android.
then
At Landrop Flutter.
at
2
Landrop
items.
Flutter. So here you need to go, then
Fabrics. Stop. 1 minute. Cache. Files.
click on Files.
Data.
Now see,
Logo Accessible Computing 2023 JPG. 15.56
Here
kilobytes.
you will find
July
all the
6,
files.
2023.
or you can
Set
directly
home.
share the files at anywhere from the Landrop application. I hope you find this content useful. If really, don't forget to share your feelings in the comment section. Please share this video with others and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you first time visit this tutorial. If you want to learn computer, if you want to get the personal coach, you can join our computer literacy expert course. You can follow our website to know more. The link of the website is given in the video description box as well as at the first comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.